Alright everybody, welcome back to Smoke and Swamp Outdoors. In this video, I'm going to be going over a knife sharpening kit that I have made. Maybe give some people some ideas, some tips, help you out with knife care, because everybody knows that a good knife is a sharp one. What we got here is I just keep 2 extra rags. I keep one of them that's got like oil and stuff on it, and I always keep me an extra clean one in there. Because I have whetstones, I keep a skinnier and longer one, and then a shorter fat one. And then over here, I've got another, it's got a coarse, medium, and a fine sharpener, but that's just regular stones, they're not whetstones. I keep some lubricants to help protect the blade. Stuff just like anti-rust, penetrating oil. They work really, really well. I keep an extra leather strap here. I had an old belt. It was real leather, so I cut a piece off. Works great. A couple magic erasers, kind of clean the blades up. Just got a new one in there. The other one's about had it. Shine it up before you sharpen it or whatever after, whatever you want to do. And then just a container to soak the stones in. And then a platform to put it up on so they won't slide around. I hope this video was informative. Hit that thumbs up, drop a comment, subscribe, and stay tuned for some more outdoors.